Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Shuriken, aka Botton Dojo, for September 25, 2024. Okay, the first one is C. Okay, this one, C. Connect with Web3 Core API. And then for the second one is go to this one and then this one, see, create a Web3 ID. This is the second one, and then for the last one, go to this one and then find a car which is this one. See, write a blog post. Okay, this is the third card. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the best 3 card for Shuriken, aka Botton Dojo in September 25, 2024. Okay, let's claim. There we go.